Hi guys, welcome back to Boredom Blasters, and today we are going to do a very interesting science experiment. This video will have three parts. Let me introduce you to the first part. We are going to check if oil and water mix together. Yep. And the materials you need for this experiment is a transparent empty glass jar with a lid. Your size of the jar will depend upon the availability. I am taking a small jar because that's the only thing that's available for me. Then, of course, we will need some oil. I can't show you because this container will tip and the oil might spill if I tilt it to show you. And then, of course, we need another important material, some water. Now this, I am going to take some blue paint and a brush as a substitute for food coloring because I don't have food coloring right now. So if you have food coloring, it's totally fine. You can use food coloring. Your call. First things first, we will open the lid of our glass jar and pour some water into it. There you go. I've poured some water into my glass jar. This needs to be transparent just to make sure that you can see the observations. Now I will take my paint, or in your case coloring of any color you want except yellow or stuff that is closely resembling to the oil color. So I'm gonna just dip some paint, as you can see. I'm just turning the water blue for observations because water is transparent, then you won't be able to note your observations so clearly. So that's why this is an important step, but you can ditch this step if you wish. Now I have some oil and I'm gonna pour that into this. I'm not using a lot of oil, but now because of using the food coloring, you can see that the oil is floating on top of the water and not mixing with it. Then let's try to shake it, shall we? Maybe that might mix them together. Shake this nicely. Make sure the lid is properly closed so that the mixture doesn't fall out. So I have done this, but as you can see, the oil is again gathering on top of the water and not mixing with it. So what should I do? I think I'm going to have to proceed to the next part of the video. Maybe we can mix oil and water together with the help of a neighbor. I think this soap might be able to help oil and water to become friends. Let's see if this soap is helpful. So I'm going to take some dish soap and put it in here. There you go. There you go. Let's see if oil and water are mixing together. It doesn't seem they are. Well, let's give it a shake, shall we? So I'm gonna close it nicely. That's the important part. You don't want a mess in your house, so make sure you put the lid nice and tight. Now let's mix it. Shake it. Ooh, I'm shaking all over. So I think this has actually mixed, except the bubbles that have formed because of the dish soap. That is fine, but actually I think dish soap really helped these two, and now they have nicely mixed. Now we have to move to the third part of the video and the final part. Why does this happen? But before telling you, coming straight to the point, you will have to know what are molecules. Molecules. Everything is made of molecules. They're tiny particles. You are made of many molecules. This brush is made of molecules. This bowl is made of molecules. Even this oil, water, and this soap is made of molecules. So why am I telling you this? Well, the molecules of dish soap are different from the molecules of oil and water. The molecules of dish soap have two sides. One side does not like water and does not get attracted to water, and the other side gets attracted to water. So the side that gets attracted to water sticks to the water molecules. However, the side that does not like water and is scared of water sticks to the water. This allows the water molecules and the oil molecules to come together. Did you like this experiment? Make sure you try this at home and share this video with your family, friends, and whoever is keen to know this. Bye.